been nominated as the Students' Choice #1 teacher for Phase 1. How do you feel about it?
I feel great. I feel great because this is the choice of the student. The choice of the student can never go wrong. But this has really enhanced my responsibility. Why it has enhanced? Because I have to make myself worth of it. If you are considering me as a good teacher, if I am not, I have to come up to that level. So I enjoy it and also feel great, but on the same time, the responsibility is enhanced. I will try to cope up with that responsibility.
So, any memorable incident you would like to share with us?
One memorable incident, that is when I was a practitioner. I was running a nursing home. I think I was treating a patient who had burns. The patient was treated not only by me because I had to call some specialist and all. So the charges of the specialist was around 1,500, and I totally made the bill as 2,500, and the patient said that they are not able to pay that much of amount. Then I reduced 500 rupees from that, so the total bill was 2,000 rupees, out of which 500 was my bill and 1,500 was the bill of the another specialist who was coming as a consultant to my nursing home. Then I told her, you have to pay this much. Then the next morning, when I was passing by, I saw this lady who is the wife of that patient was coming out of a pawnbroker shop. Then just casually the pawnbroker started talking to me, and I asked him why she has come. The pawnbroker told that this lady came to pledge her Mangal Sutra to pay the bill of the hospital. And I was really shocked. This made me to think, if I am making a patient or anybody, any human being to pledge their Mangal Sutra to pay my bills, I was not really happy about it. From that day, I changed total my policies. I told her, that patient, to go off from my nursing home without paying any bill. Then from that day, I made a rule. I never asked any money from any of the patient. If they are able to pay, yes, I used to take. Otherwise, I used to leave it like that only. So this taught me a lesson that to serve the poor is one of the most important duties. Even if I lose money from my pocket, I never used to hesitate for it.
Sir, describe your experience as a teacher at GNMC.
Yeah. I feel great as a teacher. I love teaching. I try to teach whatever I know to the students. And if the student is not able to learn, then I reconsider it. There must be some fault in my teaching. So it makes me to study the methodologies and also the concept of the particular topic again and make the student to understand. So I am not only a teacher, I am also learner throughout the life. Some of the students ask tricky questions which make me to think and rethink. I will never scold the student for that. I will go and read and come back and again tell the concepts to the student. So I like teaching and I also adore teaching. I want to make the student to understand. In this phase, I am not only a teacher, I am also a learner.
So, any message to the students?
Yes, work hard for 5 years. If you work hard for 5 years, you are going to enjoy for the rest of the life. Enjoy means you are going to treat your patients effectively, properly. Suppose you take these 5 years lightly, then no patients will come near to you, and also even your own relatives may not come to you for the treatment. So these 5 years are going to be important. Put more hard work without compromising your the free time where you have to develop your talents also, and overall development of the student is required. So the student has to develop personality not only in academics, even the communication skills and also the cultural and also extracurricular activities to make a proper good human being and a proper doctor who is accepted by the society.
So, you have been nominated as the Students' Choice #1 teacher for Phase 1. How do you feel about it?
I am very happy to know that I have been nominated for the Students' Choice.
Describe your experience as a teacher.
Actually, I enjoy teaching. That's why I have chosen this profession. Whenever the students come and tell me that they have understood clearly whatever I taught them, I feel very happy. Actually, I enjoy giving lectures or delivering lectures, so I have chosen.
So any advice or suggestion to the students?
What I want to tell students is study well, read regularly, think positively and have faith in God.
Do you know any student knows to drive a car?
Yes, I know, sir.
Yes. Do you put the money from your own pocket or daddy gives the money?
So daddy gives the money.
Does he give money every day?
No, sir.
No, it's not. Nowadays petrol is so costly. A day may come that you may not drive car. And you may drive car, a bullock car. And that age is not far. Cartilage. Topic for today is cartilage.